Slight different take on my poached eggs today, in that I've just topped them off with some smoked salmon and I've put extra tomato pepper dip on there to give it that more tomatoey taste. We've come for a walk down by the river, but there were cows on the river path again, so I don't really fancy walking past them today. So we've took the field track that goes around, and hopefully further up will bring us further up the path where the cows aren't. But I'm not totally sure, so we'll see. Nice little stream by the road. Charlotte had to duck, but I got a feeling I won't have to duck. Well, perhaps a little bit. Okay, little bit, just a little bit of ducking. Also, yeah, we made it through the tree. Coco didn't have to duck. Hopefully there's a path just there, is there?
Yeah.
That takes us back, yeah.
Can't go in the mud because that's where the farmers are
Yeah.
up in there.
Yeah. And this should take us back behind the cows and closer to the river. And if it doesn't, we're walking back. Look how the bluebells have grown in just over a week. Wow. Just little sprouts last week. Now look at them. Look at that tree. Beautiful. Right. This is probably the bit where we end up in somebody's garden, but we'll go with it. No, we don't. I know where we are really. This is the bit directly where the lock is, which is what I was hoping to come out at, and we have, so perfect. Here we are at the lock. And we're going to carry it along this footpath, hoping to come across some more butterflies. And a few birds would be nice. So I'm my feet and my mind's not really up for it today. Yeah, my legs are saying, oh, really? After all the walking you've done for the past couple of days? No, I just don't fancy it. Oh, bluebells. More bluebells. And the remainder of some snowdrops. Fabulous. Go on, Cokes. The tree pollen is high today and making my eyes sting. Also just realised I didn't take a magic hay fever tablet this morning, so I'll be suffering amongst the trees in the woodland area. More bluebells, young at heart. Don't you know you're so young in heart? And always will be. Not like this muddy back path when I'm on my bike. When I don't particularly like it when I'm on foot. It goes up and down, and it lets my knees know that they're still there. There she goes. And back across the fields again, because to be honest, I'm really not in the mood for having to negotiate between the cows. So we're staying to these paths where we can avoid them. And back to the streamed path. There they are. Most of them sitting down, but still don't want to walk past them today. Today's game, let's build a box. really need instructions. Because in theory, there should be for... Oh, hello. I would have thought 4 pieces, but there's more. That's the bottom. My guess is that's the back and that's the front. That'll be a side. And that'll be a side. So, it'll probably give me 10 lots of instructions. I don't really need any of them because inside. So it suggests sides first. So we'll go with that. Guessing it's just a simple. There's little dog ears on this floor. How many dog ears are on this thing? They're making a mountain out of it. Let's just get on it. Bit easy, that in there. Flimsy and it feels flimsy. Box done, although covered in dog ears. Thanks to dog ears being all over that mat. Bigger than I was expecting. Oh, I measured it as well, but hopefully it's still going to fit in my spa. Keep all my small stuff in it. Tomatoes have been replanted in some bigger pots because, as you can see, they're growing rather quickly, and currently they're just going to sit in the conservatory where it's warm, dry, until it's better weather to go outside. Today is a good day, but tomorrow expect forecasting rain. So what else have we been doing in the garden today? So the table and chairs are out-ish. At least they've been put to the part of the patio where they're going to be staying. Barbecue bit, not barbecue, yeah, fire pit has gone over there. The fire pit basket just there. I've dismantled this frame, all bar the wood. The wood should now break down quite easily and we should be able to get it in the bin. Rubbish is tidied into that corner. Yes, that little dog wants to play ball with me, as if I'm going to play ball with that little dog. I'm not! No, I'm not! Oh dear, she won't get it now, it's gone off. Go fetch it. Go on. It won't hurt you to go down there. She's such a baby, she makes me do everything for her. Go. And I'm so daft, I do. No, if you want it, you get it. Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up. Just like to point out that we only have a rugby ball because Coco found the rugby ball on the caravan park about 6 years ago, and she brought it home. and she's never been parted from it since. She likes to play with a rugby ball because it's easier to get in her teeth. However, if I pour air into the ball, she doesn't like it and won't play with it. She can't get teeth around it. I'm not playing. Go on, Sashka, you go play rugby ball with her. I don't see why I should. I don't see why I should. So, washing out on a windy day. So what have I been up to today? Been in the garden, doing little bits and big bits. The biggest of which is that the hot tub is out and currently filling. It's always a scare when I take it out each year as to whether it'll work again, and to be honest, until it's full and switched on and we go through the first 24 hours and we find out whether it's warm or not, only then do we know if it's working. So, not doing anything much down here. Oh, I have changed the batteries in the butterfly solar lights, so hopefully tonight they're going to switch on. I have removed the sticky lights and put them over there. I'm not convinced they're going to come on. They didn't come on last night, which is why I've moved them, because it might just be that the sensor's not catching the sun in that area, so I've put it up there and hopefully it does. So yeah, that's about it, to be honest. I am extremely tired and don't really feel like doing much. I've got to take Charlotte out rather to join Tanya at Notts County later, where she's going for some goalkeeper training with the county goalies, and I guess this is going to give us a little indication as to where her standard is at for her age. So yep, so going to be dropping her off in about 2 hours or so. Little baby's in season, and this is that I feel sorry for myself bed, isn't it, Coke? Today's been a dry, lovely day where I've got things done in the garden. Still felt rather tired all day, but it's one of those days where if you just keep moving and keep busy, then things aren't so bad. Don't know what you want, Coco. I know it's lighting up time now outside. Tub's still heating up. Probably won't be the right temperature till, I don't know, midday tomorrow. Light's just starting to come on. A few up there already on. Oops, and one just came on as we speak. Oh, and it's gone again. Oh, and it's back again. Let's play the spotlight game. What are you up to, Cokes? So yes, mildly productive today, and hopefully we've got another day of dryness, and then it'll be Sunday, and better still, it'll be Monday, and everybody goes back to work and to school, and I get peace time and time to myself. Looking forward to that. Not sure if that dog knows there's a tree there. Sasha? You have to walk round the tree, Sasha, not through it. Just telling you, in case you didn't realise. She's supposedly not blind, but she has got dementia, which means she gets disorientated. But I think we're all starting to learn about that one. A little bit late to be heating, but what they... this is tea, and it's a lovely salad with chips and some Dutch mayonnaise. Mayonnaise with lemon. Lovely.